Come and join us for a look at the Adriana plan by Hurricane Builders. My name is Nathan Arnold with Keller Williams Columbia and Hurricane Builders. We're going to take a look here at the Adriana plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, just under 2,100 square feet. You'll see here as we first get going, we've got the clear system. This is like a ring doorbell. It's actually a higher quality, a better branded ring. Come on in. This is your main living room area here. You'll see we've got 9-foot ceilings with a smooth ceiling, smooth walls, ceiling fans. Lots of windows here in this living room. Really good natural light comes in. I like to point out here as well, we've got cased windows. It's going to be a standard feature here in the neighborhood. If you need to do any cleaning, these just pop right off. Wipe that window down. It pops right back into place here. Low E windows blocks a lot of the heat coming, the heat transfer when it comes through the window here. That light's going to come, but if you're standing here, like right now, this sun's coming right in, bright Carolina sun, not feeling a lot of warmth. These windows are blocking that out. Alright, so if we head into the kitchen here, you'll notice we've got 3-centimeter granite. It's going to be a very nice thick granite countertop. Wraps around here. Very tall 42-inch cabinets with the crown molding on the top and the nice staggered features. So if you look at these here, each cabinet's a little bit different height, which just adds a little bit extra appeal to the home instead of that flat, boring couch. Stainless steel appliance packages are going to be the standard microwave, 5-burner range here, gas range in Shoals Landing. We are a gas neighborhood. If you look up at the ceiling here, you'll see we've got 2 ceiling speakers. These tie in with a system. You can download the app where you want to play Pandora music on your phone. It ties right in there automatically. The apparatus for it's going to be right in here over the refrigerator. So you'll see here we've got a nice space for a refrigerator. I'd like to point out a couple of things here. One, it's not blocked here by the width, and you'll notice the water line is already there. That's always going to be a standard here. The water line for the fridge is already there and ready to go. So the appliance package we offer is going to be a dishwasher. Underneath the sink there, of course, is going to be a disposal, and then a range and a microwave. Refrigerators are optional. Currently right now, due to supply issues, we don't offer refrigerators. That of course will change. A lot of that sort of thing ebbs and flows with COVID. We've got a nice pantry in the corner of this home with lots of shelving built in. Very important to have that extra pantry space. So I like to point out little things. So even when we have a little bit of dead space, we try and add it in. Like you've got a great little spot there to add in some cooking sheets. So you've got a dinette here. Got a nice little space, plenty of walkway through here right around the stairs. This, I always like to point out, you can see how this overhangs a little bit. So if you want to pull up some stools right here and just open up this space. As we go into the backyard here, sliding glass door. You heard that come on, that's part of the clear system. So we have the sensors on your sliding glass door, your front door, and the access into the garage door. So come on out. This is a nice setup here. This is a pretty standard setup where we've got a concrete patio. These are typically 10 by 10, 10 by 12, 12 by 14, kind of depends on the shape. And this is a pretty good example of the backyards. Fully sodded, irrigation, front, side, and the backyard. This is our exterior outlet here. You'll see this is covered up. That way if it gets splashed or anything, it's safe and ready to go. And then this little blue wire hanging down, you'll see these on all our finished homes. That's pre-wiring for a security camera. And again, using the Clear system, that camera can be accessible through the app on your phone. We'll show you the laundry room in here. Very open laundry room. It's ready to go for a washer and a dryer. This is not a laundry closet, this is an actual laundry room. Oak tread staircases, this is the standard in Shoals Landing. As we come up the stairs here on the Adriana plan, you'll notice we have a huge hallway. This is one of your bedrooms. Very open space on your bedrooms here. A lot of width. We've got 8-foot ceilings, again, smooth ceilings. We don't have the ceiling fans in here, but we are wired for ceiling fans. So you have 2 switches, one for the light, one for the actual ceiling fan. And we have our dome lights here are the standard. This plan has a very open walk-in closet. These are pretty large bedrooms for secondary bedrooms, but as you can see, kind of a small bedroom here for a walk-in closet. Back out into the hallway and loft area. Another closet. This would be your hall closet, your linen closet, some folks would call it. Towels, blankets, that sort of thing to go in there. Very spacious hall bathroom here. So you'll see the comfort height countertops. Again, the good granite countertops, the 3-centimeter granite countertops here with the undermount sink, all brushed nickel fixtures. And I'll show you the tub shower combo here. You'll see it's brushed nickels, not the chrome. A very nice shower head here, the rainfall shower head. That's a standard feature. And if you notice our bar, it's not just the straight bar. We've got the curved curtain rod here, so you got a little bit more space. So those little extra touches that we really try and put in there for you. Another very large bedroom. This could almost be a bonus room. Last and certainly not least is going to be your owner suite. Very large owner suite here. We've got your ceiling fan as the standard, the box tray ceiling. You've got smooth ceilings, smooth walls. So your owner suite bathroom here, we've got the dual vanity, the drawer stack all the way down, giving you extra space. A nice garden tub here. We frost the window over the garden tub. We've also got a very nice walk-in shower, all brushed nickel finishes. We have the water closet, so you can close this up. The toilet, it's an elongated toilet, and you have a window. So you've got a totally encapsulated bathroom there just for that toilet. And again, a walk-in closet with lots of shelving here for the owner suite. So one last thing before we head downstairs, I'd like to point out our zoned HVAC. So we're upstairs, we've got our own thermostat for the upstairs and one for the downstairs.